If you have bread at home, don't skip this recipe. Today I am making crunchy bread cutlets in minutes. Perfect evening snacks. Let's start. Take bread slices and cut them into small pieces. Put the bread pieces into a mixer jar and grind them into a fine powder. Transfer the bread powder into a mixing bowl. To this, add 1 cup of suji rava, half cup of gram flour, and 1 by 4 cup of rice flour. Now add chopped vegetables, ginger garlic, capsicum, onion, carrot, cabbage, and boiled potatoes. Also add half cup chopped tomato and finally chopped green chilli. Quarter spoon of jeera, quarter spoon of crushed black pepper, coriander leaves, half spoon of jeera powder, quarter spoon of garam masala, quarter spoon of chaat masala, quarter spoon of ajwain, half spoon of chilli flakes, half spoon of red chilli powder, pinch turmeric powder, and salt as per taste. Now mix everything well using your hands. Close the lid and rest the mixing for 10 to 15 minutes. After resting, switch on the stove, place a pan and add oil for heating. Once the oil is hot, take a portion of the cutlet mixture and shape into a patty. Carefully place it into the hot oil and fry until golden brown on both sides. Remove the cutlets from the pan and arrange them on a plate. Serve the bread cutlets hot with your family and enjoy. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.